Hello students, so this is another video on osmotic pressure question from NCERT. It is given that at 300 Kelvin 36 gram of glucose is present per liter of solution and has osmotic pressure 4.98 bar. That is, at a particular temperature 300 Kelvin, glucose, that is solute, mass of solute is 36 gram. It is dissolved in 1 liter of solution. Present per liter means 1 liter of solution. If this much glucose 36 gram is dissolved, then you get the osmotic pressure 4.98 bar at temperature 300 Kelvin. The second statement is saying if the osmotic pressure of solution is 1.52 bar at same temperature, then again if the osmotic pressure changes to 1.52 bar, but temperature is same 300 Kelvin. So what is the concentration at this osmotic pressure? What is the concentration at this osmotic pressure? So in order to find that, first you note down the question first, then we will solve. Okay, now we have actually two cases. First of all, we will use the osmotic pressure equation pi equal to CRT, no doubt. But we have two cases. Okay, we have two cases. First, osmotic pressure is there. Same solution, osmotic pressure is different. So we will apply the pi equal to CRT equation for two different cases. But for first thing what we will do, we will divide the answer into two columns. I am dividing it. Okay. Now, this is the first case where all the data is given to us. This is second case where we have to find the concentration. Now you note that pi equal to CRT. So it is given temperature is constant. So the osmotic pressure is directly proportional to concentration. Okay. So the concentration changes, osmotic pressure will change. Temperature is constant. Given here. First case is we have mass of solute. Solute is glucose. Solute is glucose. It is given to be 36 gram. Next is the molar mass of glucose. Glucose formula is, you know, C6H12O6. C6H12O6. So its molar mass will be 180 grams per mole. Okay. So knowing the mass and the molar mass, we can calculate the number of moles of glucose. Glucose is our solute. How to calculate number of moles? Given mass by molar mass. Given mass by molar mass. Given mass in numerator, molar mass in denominator. Okay. And volume of solution is also given to us. Volume of solution is given to us, that is 1 liter, because it is mentioned 36 gram present per liter. So volume of solution is 1 liter. Now we can find concentration C, concentration or molarity, whatever you can say. It will be number of moles of solute by volume of solution in liters. Okay. Number of moles of solute by volume of solution in liters. Okay. So you will get concentration to be 0.2 moles per liter. Alright. We got the concentration. Number of moles of solute by volume of solution in liters. Now we will apply the equation pi equal to CRT, where C is the concentration or molarity. So here I am writing, you will write separately, pi equal to CRT, you know the equation. So simply we will substitute the value, because we know what is pi, we know what is C, we found out, we know what is the temperature. So if you apply this equation, you will get the value to be 1.52 equal to C, concentration is known to us, 0.2 moles per liter, okay, R into 300 Kelvin. Alright, not 1.52, it is 4.98. It is 4.98. Okay, because in the first case the osmotic pressure is given to us. So simply we substituted pi equal to CRT. Simply we substituted pi value given to us 4.98 bar. Concentration or molarity we calculated. Number of moles by volume, that is 0.2 moles per liter, or 0.2 molar also you can say. R into 300, temperature is Kelvin. So let us say this one is equation 1. Now in the second case, this line you will write after this. First you will write these things, then you will write this equation, and then finally this equation. Okay, the top equation will be written afterward, at the end, for the first case. Next is the second case. When we come, second case is we have pi is given to us, that is, let us say pi 2. Suppose this one is pi 1, osmotic pressure is 4.98 bar, pi 1 is 4.98 bar, pi 2 is, it is given 1.52 bar. Concentration is not known, temperature is known to be 300 Kelvin. So if we apply the equation pi 2 equal to C into R into T, so we have 1.52 equal to C into R into 300. Let us say this equation number 2. Now what we will do, we have two equations, C we have to find out. We will divide 2 by 1, equation 2 by equation 1. So both LHS and RHS we will divide this equation by this equation, equation number 1. So you will get substitute the value 0.2 into R into 300 from equation 1. 2 by 1, na? This is 2 by 1, 2 by 1, both for LHS and RHS. So we can calculate C. Okay, C will be equal to 0.2, this will be 0.305, the left hand side fraction. Okay, that's equal to C by 0.2. So C will be equal to 0.305 into 0.2. So if you calculate, you will get 0.0610. 0.0610. Unit will be moles per liter. Okay, I am writing in bracket here, moles per liter, and that is the concentration, or you can say molarity also. So this is how the osmotic pressure question is solved. This is what this was for NCERT. Thank you all.